Okay, so for the second part, then I'll show you how to increase a block. It's what it's called when you add a block to the row. So this is the first block, which is the one we just created, and then we do an increase block, and so then you do the 1 and the 2. So to increase, you'll have to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And so we are just repeating the process we went through to create this little block here. So then from the 6 you count down to 4. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we do 3 double crochets, 1 in each chain from this 4 downwards. Wrap the yarn over around the hook, insert into the chain, and then wrap around the hook, bring through the loop, and then you have 3. Wrap around, bring through 2, and then wrap around and then bring through the last 2. That's the first double crochet, and you repeat that double crochet into the next chain here. Okay, so then the last one will go into this little space here, wrap around, insert into the chain. I hope this isn't confusion. This thing isn't confusing you because it's right underneath. Bring through the loop or bring through the chain. You have 3, wrap around, bring through 2, wrap the yarn around the hook, and then bring through the next 2. Okay, so now you have this block kind of hanging out here, and so what you're supposed to do, they should be sitting like this next to each other. Well, you have to turn this guy around, and then you're supposed to take the hook, and this is a chain 3 space, right? This is the space that we started off with. This is the same space here that we started off with, and then we did the 2 double crochets. In here is where you put your hook. You're supposed to push your hook through here, and then you do a slip stitch. So basically what you do is, so you put your hook in here, right? And then you take your yarn and you wrap it around your hook and then pull through this chain, or this, yeah, it's a chain, 3 chain, and then also pull it through that second loop that was on the hook. So now you slip stitch onto the 3 chain here. So now you have to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and this counts as a double crochet here. So then in the chain 3 you double crochet 3. So here's the first one, 1, that was the first one, and then we have to do 2 more. So wrap the yarn around the hook, insert in the chain 3 here, and then wrap around, pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook here, wrap around, pull through 2, wrap around, pull through the next 2. That's your second double crochet. Wrap around, put through here, wrap around, pull up. You have 3, wrap around, pull through 2, wrap the yarn around, pull through the last 2 here. So now you have 1, 2, and 3 double crochets in the chain 3 here. So if I just show you really quick, here is the first block that you created. Here's the second one we created on the second row, and here's the second one that we created in the second row. So now it's starting to look sort of like this triangle here. First row, second row.